getting my spun on, isn't it?
That's a big Ben 10 boy bike, isn't it? Do you like it?
Thank you.
Do you like it?
What else you got me?
That was very expensive, that bike.
Was the Ben 10 what's very expensive?
Yeah.
I'm not going to leave you.
Is that nice? That's better than your little bike, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that much better?
Does it have to need petrol?
No, it doesn't need petrol, not yet. It's a big boy bike though, isn't it?
When does it need petrol?
When you're